Okay, okay. Can you hear me from my microphone? Hopefully you can. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I forgot not to do that on stream. But okay, let me close off what I have here. Okay. Um. Alright. What should I do here? I'll just stream to myself. I'll be honest. I'm opening this up on my phone. Oh, I should stop doing that. Alright. Okay.
Is it affecting you? Gonna be another 2 minutes.
Jeez. Okay.
Sorry.
Jeez, I can't even see how the thing is going from my phone. I'm not on data neither. Alright, I'm sorry about this, guys. You might be able to still get me from my laptop, but I can't like connect with myself. Oh, what? No data? Oh, 2 views. Somebody probably clicked on and clicked off then. Okay, that's fine. So, what do I do here? Back on live. Oh, I completely forgot. I need to put on some music too, huh? Alright. What do I do here? I'm gonna be putting on browser. Yes, lo-fi girl stream. That should be giving me some music here. I'm hearing this from my phone. I should probably see. Or turn on the volume of the music. Yeah, the music is way loud because. Alright. Thing is, I couldn't even hear myself right there, so I'm going to. And I need to change my image quality to 480. Alright, hopefully and the microwave is on again. Please don't cut my Wi-Fi. I beg, I beg, I beg, I beg. But anywho's, okay, so for those of you who are in the stream, I can't really see you guys if you are here right now. So if you are in the live stream, I'd appreciate it if you just leave a comment or say something in chat so I can know that you're there. I might not be able to see it because my mom is microwaving something right now, but if you are, hi, today I'm going to be going, oh, did it knock off my laptop too? Hopefully it didn't. If it did, that would be tragic. That would be very tragic if it did. Reason. Okay, this is a dilemma. Connected without internet. Jesus. Alright, I really am not sure what's up right now. It's definitely the microwave, but I do want it to hurry up and remedy itself. Cause like we can't offer it like this. I know that people are gonna be joining around this time, and the microwave's on, so I can't even see, I can't even interact, can't look at chat. I'm not even sure if it's streaming right now because of the internet. This is a bit of a situation. So if you are in chat, I'd appreciate it if you would stick around for a little bit, maybe for like another minute, so that the microwave is out. And that's it, the microwave is done. I can see, oh, there's a lot of chat frames. Okay, will my phone connect now so I can see what's happening? Yes, my phone is connected. So what's going on in the chat? Alright. Okay. Okay. How do I send this to people? I'm gonna send this in the Health and Fitness Club chat. A man join I beg. Come service. Okay, so how things are going right now? So one concurrent view. I really do wonder. It's like I'd have to, I don't know, boss. Alright, I'll keep it like this. So enough, I can't keep on looking down at my phone. So I'll just keep the stream over here so I can get my music and so I can focus. Alright, putting this down. Alright, let me turn on my volume. Alright, so hello guys, for you guys who are here in the stream, but I can't see you. Hello, welcome to the live stream. This live stream is for my community service. I'm gonna take this live stream, get views from it, chop it up, get some more views from the videos, and if I am able to like take some videos out of this, I'm gonna put it in short form format and put on YouTube Shorts. But anyways, today I'm going to do a course challenge on Khan Academy. This right here is the digital SAT math course on Khan Academy. The purpose of the course is to prepare people for SAT math. However, as I jump, even though I myself am gonna be doing SAT, PSAT, I mean, it is very useful because a lot of the topics here they overlap with the CXC topics for math, and it's very useful when if you want to get a greater understanding of math yourself. So, enough yapping. Just gonna start the question and see how things go. Oh, almost forgot. Sorry about that. Almost forgot. I need to get a rough work paper. This. Pen. Okay, here's the pen. Alright. Ready. So what I'm saying over here, so alright, one front. Alright. Let me ignore that. That's the WhatsApp. But that's alright. So let's get started then. So 3x minus 4y is greater than or equal to 2. X is greater than or equal to 3 minus y. In which of the following does the shaded region represent the solution sets in the xy plane to the system of inequalities? Ooh, okay. How would I do this? Alright, let me really use this slides here because I can't see that. Oh, why can't I see everything? That's kind of mad. Anyways, 3x minus 4y is greater than or equal to 2. X is greater than or equal to 3y. Alright, so right here, so what we do is that we have to find the x and the y. X is already given. So in this situation, how we find the y is that we substitute x in the bottom equation. This x in the bottom equation here, so, and we substitute that, what we have here, for the x that we have in the top equation. So what we say is that we say 3 minus y minus 4 is greater than or equal to 2. So now we distribute the 3 across the 3 minus y to get 9 minus 3y minus 4. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to get the y by itself. Oh, I should actually pull this up in Jamboard so you guys can see it better, because I'm doing it on my rough work paper and I know that you guys on stream might not be able to see it. Alright, so I'll go on here, so open up Jamboard. Something in the room is well weird. Hopefully it's not me. Anywho's, I'm opening up Jamboard. What do I do? Oh, I almost forgot actually. I need to add something to the description. I need to give credit to the music. But I'll do that later. Oh, why does Jamboard take so long when I actually want it to load up? Alright. Can I rock with this? Okay. So the equation that we have is 3. Oh shoot, this looks ugly. Can I make it bigger? Lord, Jamboard is so nasty, bro. I can't even increase the size of the pen. That's the issue that I'm having. But whatever. The equation says 3x minus what? 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y is greater than or equal to 2. And the bottom equation says x is equal to what? Y minus 3? Y minus 3. So how we do this is that the first thing that we do is that we substitute the x in the top equation for what we know x to be in the bottom equation. Oh, this should be greater than, right? Oh, my bad. Yeah, greater than. So what we do first, we substitute to say 3. We change x for what we know x to be. So this is 3y minus 3 minus 4y is greater than or equal to 2. Oh, this is gonna be a bit annoying up here. What? Alright, greater than or equal to. Sorry about that. So now that we know this, we can distribute the 3 across the y minus 3 to say 3y minus 9 minus 4y is equal to 2. Now we move, so what we do is we're going to be trying to get y by itself. All the y's are already on the one side. So I can say 3y minus 4y is greater than or equal to 2. We're going to be moving over the 9 right there. So that's going to come over the equal side and say positive. So it's going to be 2 plus 9. So what this is going to say is that 3y minus 4y, that's going to be negative 1y. So just negative y is greater than or equal to 2 plus 1, which is just 11. However, with inequalities, what happens is that when we have a negative in an inequality, we have to switch the sign. So we're going to say y is less than or equal to 11. So now that we know what x is and what y is, that we can now go back to the question and look at the graphs. So x greater than or equal to y minus 3, and y equal to 11. Oh, almost forgot. We can change y right here to say 11. To just say, so this would just be what, 8? Oh, 8. And this is going to be less than. So now let's go back over to the question and see how this looks. Which of the graphs follows this rule? Alright. Or maybe I'm tripping. Hopefully not. Oh no! I messed up. Oh my gosh. Okay. I put these in the wrong order. Oh no. Alright. So it should be 3 minus y, not y minus 3. I'm sorry. So 3 minus y, and then we'll have to go back over here, so, and then change this back to 3 minus y. Three minus y. So this is gonna be what? 9 minus 3y. Yo, I hate Grammarly. Why is it right there? I can't even. Jeez, I wasn't able to see the 4. I forgot what was there. Alright. Oh, why did I put it back in brackets? That's dumb of me. This is going to be 9 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to 2. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be moving the 9 over. This is going to be 2 minus 9, which is going to give us a negative 7. And then this right here is negative 3y also. So now this is going to say negative 7y equal to negative 7. Right here, we don't really need to change. What we can do is we can divide this by both sides by negative 7. And then this is just going to say y is greater than or equal to 1. So y is greater than or equal to 1. And x is going to be equal to greater than or equal to 3 minus y, which we know to be 1. So this is going to be 1, and this is 3 minus 1, so this is going to be 2. So x is greater than or equal to 2, and y is greater than or equal to 1. So what's happening over here? So then, oh, Nikhil says, so thank you so much for subscribing, Nikhil. I really appreciate people like you. People like you are the reason why I'm going to graduate. So bless up, bless up. Hope to see you again in January. Let's continue with the questions. So what does this, alright, sorry, so I just saw something distracted me. So what does this graph say? This graph is saying that y alright, hold on. I'm not the best at reading graphs, I'll be honest. So right here, so y is positive 1, which is good. And x is 2. And we know that it's greater than, so it's everything above this. So I feel like that is the right answer. Let's check. Oh, not quite. Yo. Less than, why being less than or equal to? Let's look at the get help option. I might have messed up somewhere in my working out. So what does this say? Rewrite the inequalities. What? 4y minus 2? Where did the 4y minus 2 come from? To isolate y. Oh, did I do something dumb? I don't think I did. Oh. My bad then. Okay. Alright, I understand where I went wrong. So, what it expected us to do in this question is to isolate y by just putting it over on one side instead of using the bottom equation where x is given. I feel like the reason why this is done because x isn't given as a finite value. That's the main issue. So if it was x is equal to 3 minus y, that could work where we substitute the x in 3x for 3 minus y. That could work. However, in a inequality system, looks like that doesn't work. So I'm just going to make a mental note of that when I'm carrying on. So the answer to this question should have been, which one is this? Answer to this question should be D then. Okay, I learned something. So next question. Oh, by the way, my record for this test is 70. So hopefully I can break it or come close. Oh, sorry about that. So standard movie projectors project 24 still images known as frames each second. For certain movies, if a certain movie uses the standard frame rate, has exactly 129,600 frames, then to the nearest whole minute, how long is the movie? Alright, I'm sorry. Looks like my laptop is giving problems. I just checked it and it disconnected for some reason. I don't know why it would do that. Alright, moving back. bless, man. Them. Alright. So what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna take the total number of frames and divide this by 24 to get the number of seconds in the movie. However, it's to the nearest whole minute, so what we're gonna have to be doing then is that we're gonna have to take the number of seconds that we got and we're gonna divide that by 60 to get that in minutes. So I'm gonna have to go into Desmos so you guys can see what I'm doing here. And also, I don't have a calculator. I don't want to buy a calculator, brother. It's like $4 grand for a calculator. Like, be honest, bro. Be honest. I can buy a banger phone for $4 grand, and the banger phone have a calculator. What the hell? They're overpricing it just because they know that. Just because they know that students see the questions. Oh, you said that you can't see the question. How can I make it so that you can see the question? I'm not sure how I can do this. Oh, what I can do is that whenever I have a question, I can just calculate and put it in chat, you know. Hold on there. Alright. Alright. Can this send? 36. The issue is the word limit on the YouTube chat, you know, because like yo, my beg said this thing don't nearest. I'm confused, bro. To the nearest whole minutes. Yo, what I could do, you know, is that alright, next time when I go on stream, I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research on this, you know, because I know that there's something that you can do where you can just like easy take a clip of this right here, so and just have it up on the side. But I'm not really too adept like that. Oh, I wonder actually if I control shift S right here, so can I take a screenshot of the page and then just put it on Jamboard? Alright, let me see this here, so then. Alright. Yo, it works. It's gonna take a while to pop up. Alright, so here's the question. Standard movie projectors project 24 still images known as frames exactly. What am I saying? Alright, anyways, here's the question. Let's carry on. So what I said that we're gonna do is that we're gonna take the total number of frames and divide it by 24 to get the number of seconds. So this is 129,600 divided by what, 24? So this is 5,400. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the 5,400 and divide it by 60, and we get 90. This is 90 minutes. So this should be the correct answer, unless I'm tripping once again. Alright, right. Alright, so next question. The Shanghai maglev train travels at a speed of 431 kilometers per hour. Approximately what is the train speed in miles per hour? 1 mile being roughly equivalent to 1.61 kilometers. Okay. So what I can do here, sir, is say huh? What? Alright. Don't let's convert this to miles per hour. So this is 431 divided by 1.61. 1.61. That 267.7. That looks about right. 267.7. When we get the 67, I'm confused, bro. Alright. What did I just say a while ago? Bro, I have the thing in I have the stream in my ears. So sometimes when I say something, I'ma think something. I can't explain. Anyways, this should be the right answer unless once again I am tripping. Alright, right answer. Alright. So j over 2 plus 7 is equal to 12. It's an easy question right here, so something we'll do in our maths class. So what we do first is that we're going to be moving over the 7. Alright. I'm gonna pull this up over on a new thing. So say what? J. Oh no, we probably can't see it on the stream. That's gonna be a bit too. Alright, J over 2 minus 1 plus 7 is equal to 12. So what the first is that we're gonna move this over to say 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7, that is what, 5? And then we divide 5 by 2 to give us the value of j. What's the options we will have? 5 over 2. Oh, by the way, for the SAT online, what you should be doing whenever you have a question like this and you get a fraction as an answer, just put in the fraction. Don't go through the hassle of transferring that over to decimal, because the thing with the decimal is that it's gonna want you to put it in to the 3 to 4 decimal points. Do not round it. But anyways, what we get is what, 5 over 2. Please am I not tripping? Not quite. Huh? What's the value of j in the equation? Sure. Alright, what does it say? Oh, my bad. I am tripping. I forgot. I should have multiplied. So this should be 5 times 2. And then this would give us 10. That's a simple mistake, bro. This licked me so many times. I can't believe it. I'm just off my game because I'm not there in the classroom. Oh, trust. So this should be 10, not 5 over 2. Alright, so continuing. No. Alright. Next. Yo, let me just itch up my phone right here so I can see chat easier. Because I notice a random user is in there. Oh, also 4 people are in here. Hello guys, that's a lot more people from when I started. Hello, welcome to the live stream. Just reminding you guys, we are going over a SAT course quiz on Khan Academy. So this course quiz is for the SAT course on Khan Academy. This course is meant to prepare people for the SATs, PSATs, but I suggest this for people who are going to be doing CSEC and CXC, because the SAT course itself and the questions are very different to what we're used to, and it builds up a greater understanding of mathematics. So therefore I suggest that everyone make an account on Khan Academy and just do the course, work through it. It really teaches you very well. If your maths teacher not good, Khan Academy can be a teacher. So anyways, let's carry on. A polynomial function p is defined as px is equal to 2x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 3. Which of the following could be the graph of the function y equal px in the xy plane? Okay, I'm not really familiar with graphs like this. A polynomial function p, put that on a graph. I'm not familiar with that. However, I've done questions like this on previous quizzes, so let's see how this works. So what we know is that, what I know is that these over here, the 2x minus 1, the x plus 2, and the x minus 3, these are what are considered the zeros of the graph. So these are when it crosses the x-axis to give it an x value of 0. So what does this say then? So right here, so it said 2x minus 1. Oh my bad, it crosses the x-axis to give you a y value as 0. Don't make me confuse. Don't make me confuse you guys. So crosses the x-axis at, so the y, wait, what? Alright, I'm confusing myself. 2x minus 1, x plus 2, and x minus 3. Yo, I just have to remind us that I actually haven't touched this part of the course. So I'm kind of doom right here, so what am I going to do? 2x minus 1, x plus 2, and x minus 3. Okay, what I can do here so is to factor out the x and just say 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2, and negative 3. So what I'll go on here, so then, so 2 minus 1, we can call that 1, 2, and negative 3. So that will be going into 2, 1, and then negative 3, I'd say. A 2 minus 1, right? Or 2, negative 1. Is it negative 1? Bro, I'm confusing myself. 2, 1, and negative 3. I'm looking for a 2 and a negative 3. Alright, right here, so I say a 2, a negative 1, and a negative 3. Alright, so I feel like it's between this one and this one, but I'm going with my first answer to say this one. I am wrong. Okay, if it's not this one, I feel like it's this one. Alright, the graph of the function of the form y equal x plus a, x plus b has what that's what? Bro, I can't. I have to go touch this part, but don't touch this part yet. I know, so if you guys coming from Arden, unless you're a sixth former, we have not touched this at all, or maybe an advanced student. I don't know what in God's name this is. A graph of the function of the form y equal x plus a, x plus b has a negative a, o, and negative b, o. What else? We don't know. I don't speak that language. Anywho's 2x minus 1. Alright. Oh yeah, Nikki, I looking. Alright, he said 2x minus 1. Yeah, it is a function, but the thing is, I normally use the linear functions or the function will give you the parabola. This, no idea what in God's name this is, man. Alright. We can solve the following equation to find 0 to... Alright, so yeah man, this is what I was saying. So these over on the right gives you the zeros of the equation. So this is where the y-axis is going to be equal to 0. In other words, it crosses the x-axis, which is the horizontal line right here. So since polynomial p is already factored, we can use the zero product to properly solve for x. Oh, okay. Okay, I can understand this. So what it does is that it says that each of these is equal to 0 because it knows that the y-axis must be equal to 0 since these are the zeros of the function. Let me just show you on the graph. Hopefully you guys can see my mouse. Let me go zoom in for you guys. Alright, so can you guys see my cursor even? Let me zoom in a little more. Alright, so when it crosses the y-axis, when it crosses the x-axis, the y is always equal to 0, right? So when it gives you, zoom back out please. Jesus, thing is so loud. Why did this even come out, bro? Go back, please. Brother, because my computer not too hot, it's moving very, very slow. So up here, so where we have the 2x minus 1, the x plus 2, and x minus 3, all of these are points on which the line would cross the x-axis, giving a y value as 0. So we said that p of x is equal to 0. So the law that they're talking about down here says that if this polynomial expression on the right is equal to 0, then one of these or all of these must be equal to 0. So what it says right here is that 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0, and x minus 3 is equal to 0. So now them solve this by trying to get x by itself, so they move over the negative 1 to get a positive 1, divide that by 2 to get the x 1 over 2, move over the positive 2 to the right to get a negative 2, and the negative 3 to the right to get a positive 3. So therefore the zeros of the function p are 1 over 2, negative 2, and 3. So let's go back up on the graph to see which of these graphs says that. So what it says again? So what is? Let me check. Which one? Yes, this one. So 3, 1. So 3, 1/2, and negative 2. Which one is this? 3, 1/2, and negative 2. That one, I think. Yo, I feel dunce. How did I not click the right one? Jeez, oh my. 3, 1/2, and negative 2. Yo, I can't eyeball it, bro. 3, 1/2. Oh no, that's 1, not 1/2. I'm sorry. This one, 3. Just so you know that it's 1/2 because it's right in the middle of the unit line. So this one right here is 1, and where the line crosses half. So the correct answer is A. So let's carry on. Alright. What in the world is this? Okay. I'm just gonna visualize this as a bar graph because I'm gonna have no idea what this is. The dot plot depicts the annual snowfall in centimeters in Syracuse, New York in 1930s, rounded to the nearest 10 centimeters. Which of the following statement offers the best explanation of the mean and median in this distribution? Bro, we don't have no idea what this is. How does this work? How does this dot plot work? During the 1990s, 10 centimeter. Alright, hold on. It could be that each of these dots represents a year. So let me count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I'm getting somewhere. So each of these dots represents a year, and I'm assuming that this line going across represents the number of, or the height of the snow in the nearest 10 centimeters. Or the height of the snow in centimeters rounded to the nearest 10 centimeters. The thing cut a while ago? Oh, just my phone behaving a little odd. Okay, let me just fix up my camera like this so I'm gonna look too ugly on the live stream. Okay, so the median snowfall. Okay. What does it even say? Alright, so next thing to do is to identify what is the mean, what's the median, and the mode. The mean is the average. So the mean in this case, which is the average, should be the 130 because it's both on the. I'm just guessing it. I'm using bro math right here. So no way that girl will come. Oh, father. Sorry. Hold on, guys. Soon come back. soon come back. Soon come back, guys. My dad's calling me. So yeah, soon come back. Soon come back. Give me like 5. Oh, alright. I'm back. Let me put on my phone. Hold on. Okay. Alright, I'm back, guys. Got some crackers. My father was just checking to see if we had any food. Man said the answer for the question is C. Can work it out long. Yo, brother, stop flex for me now. Like, let me be patient. Be patient with me. Alright. So, close this. So, I'm put on the music. I can't focus without this. Alright. So this line right here is the mean, which is the average. What is the median and what's the mode? I have no idea. Man said the answer is C. The median snowfall is approximately equal to the mean snowfall because they. Oh yeah, you're right. I never looked on the answer them. I was trying to understand what it was. Alright, thank you very much. I would Nikhil. Thank you. Alright. No, brother, I did not go to get a snack. My father was just checking to see if there was any food in the house for to go eat. So yeah. Alright, next question. Okay. So next, hold on there. I'll put it right next to the microphone. Sorry about the crinkling. Alright. Oh, the thing set away. Hold on there. Alright, hopefully you guys can see me better like this. But I don't know. It's gonna take a while for show up on my phone, so I'm gonna open up back OBS. Oh yeah. And I can see my face now, that's good. So what am I doing? Oh, over here. An internet entrepreneur investigating user data on a website, which is to determine how long a user spends per visit. Entrepreneur creates a computer program to measure. The table represents the data collected by the program. According to the data, what percentage of visitors using a computer to log onto a website spend greater than 20 minutes on the website? Greater than 20 minutes, what percentage? Hold on there. According to the table, visitors using a computer. Okay. Using a computer, greater than 20 minutes. Hmm. So I feel like this would be. There's two answers which this could be. So the percent. So 114 divided by 419 times 100 to give the percentage of users on a computer, or to the total users on a computer which spend more than 20 minutes, or it could be 114 over 2054, which is the percentage of users on the computer out of all the total users who spend more than 20 minutes. It's gonna be a bit difficult. So I'm gonna use my better sense to say it is 114 over 419 because it's a percentage of users using a computer. Alright, so what is gonna say? 114 over 419 go like a 27.2. So put this in. Yeah, we're good. We're smart. You see guys? You can trust me. Alright. So we're going for the next question. After a 3-month-long motorized scooter pilot program, City A randomly. Oh, by the way, what a pilot program is like where them just test it out before them go into the full program. Just for you guys who wanted a little vocabulary. After a 3-month-long motorized scooter pilot program, City A randomly surveyed residents on their feelings about the scooter. On the 276 residents surveyed, 50 have positive feelings toward the scooters. Based on the survey results, approximately how many of the city's 50,000 residents do not have positive feelings toward the scooters? Okay, so what we're gonna do here is that we're going to have to find the percentage 50 over 276 as a percentage, and then we apply that percentage to 500,000. I'm sorry if my stuttering is getting you guys mixed up. I'm gonna try and improve on that. But it's gonna be 50 over 276 as a percentage, and then that percentage is gonna be applied to the 500,000. So let's get this. divided by 276, and I can just times this by 50,000 to get 9,057. I round it up to say 958. Please don't. So we round this up to get what, 9,001. Oh, did I miss out on? Oh, I missed out a digit. That's why. So 90,000. Call this 91,000. This should be the right answer. What? Oh, my bad. We do something dunce. I forgot what the question asked me. Asked me how many do not have positive feelings towards the scooters. Okay, so this is gonna just be the 91. The 500,000 minus the 91. So 500,000 minus 91,000. That's gonna give me 409. That is that there, or 409 or what? Yeah, 409,000. What does it give me? Yeah. Yeah, man. Okay. Okay, guys. You see, this is why you should be focusing on what you're doing. This is why you should be focused on doing a question, man. Yo, Jesus. Okay, thanks for the support in the chat, guys. Alright, let's continue. Alright. Yo, alright, so look, you see this score down here at the bottom? The reason why it's not gonna be as pretty is because I'm live streaming, right? Someone not really upon full focus mode. I'm not too locked down. So yeah, man, trust. I'm good. I'm doing better. I did better than this before. Alright. So a caterer is determined how many forks she will need to buy for her upcoming event. Each adult needs 5 forks and each child needs 2 forks. The event will host I'm sorry. Someone is calling me. I'll have to get up for a little bit. Soon come back, guys. Alright, so she actually did call me that time, guys. So let's just carry on. Alright, no. Don't get it twisted. It's not me. I don't have a girlfriend, guys. I don't. Yo, this season gonna be a bit too rough to go about this with a companion, you know. Mark exam plus CXC plus also I'm gonna have to go do PSAT because I'm apply for a certain scholarship. So I'm gonna really have time for that type of business, but let us continue. Hold on. What going with this? What music there? Alright. Oh, and why am I always sound so nerdy with a microphone? Like, hold on. Yo, man, them I beg so I don't sound like this in real life because that's gonna be a bit tragic. Okay. Where can I put on my microphone like that? And my father asking me for something again. I'll be right back. Alright. I'm back, hold on. Yo, I really have to go figure out how to put on like that one little slide. You know, so I can actually do that right now, you know. To have something come up when I'm gone. So hold on. Excuse me. I just have to set it up in our OBS studio. So I can say what? Away. And me add some text on this for say away okay. So how this look, guys? Oh hold on, my father check back on WhatsApp. I want to stop embarrassing myself. Okay, thank you for calling me funny still. I really appreciate it. Regardless, I really appreciate anyone who's in the chat right now. So, but just for reminding us that you are making my future come true because I can graduate if I can get my hours. So what's up here? So, oh, I was saying I was gonna check back the live stream on my phone. Alright. So here, so. Yo, I can't deal with this right now. Oh, okay. So here's the away screen. Will it switch back if I go back to my webcam? Oh yeah, it will. Now let me just put on a little hotkey. So now it'll go move faster. Hotkey. It'll go switch. Alright, so I'm gonna say Control 2. Oh my god, Control 2. Apply this. And then which one is the screen only? No, not that. Screen with my webcam. This one should be control end. Okay. So how does this look, guys? One, boom, boom, boom. Alright, it's working. Alright, so what was I doing a while ago? Oh yeah, this question. I got interrupted twice the moment I started. So, a caterer determine how many forks you will need to buy dinner for your upcoming event. Each adult needs 5 forks and each child needs 2 forks. If the event will host 764 adults and children in all, the caterer ordered 2,922 forks. How many adults are how many adults and how many children are expected to attend? Alright. So this is in total. So easiest and surefire way to go through all of this is to just multiply and then add. So first thing that we have to do is we have to make sure that this adds up to 764 and then eliminate the options that don't. All of these do look like they add up to 764. So, oh, my phone disconnected for some reason. Alright, it's back. Hopefully it's not an delay. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through each of these answers, and then I will see if them line up with the 2,922. So what is move this over. So this is what? 207 by 5. What kind of adult need 5 forks? That's crazy. 5 forks for what? Alright. 207 by 5 plus 557 by 2. Not that. So what next? 276 and 488. 276 and 488. That's too much. 488 and 276. Let me just change one of them numbers here, so. Oh, 2,922. Oh, yeah, that's the answer. 488 adults and 276 children. Okay, I got it. For some reason, I'm having problems with my phone, guys, so I'm not able to see the chat. Let me see if I can connect back. Alright. Okay. Let's carry on. Next, I'll get some crackers. Alright. Which expression is equivalent for all x being greater than 0? I can just divide the top by the bottom, and I should be able to at least. So this is just going to be x plus 7x squared. No. Come on, though. No, I can't do that. It's back on 3. It's back by 3 minutes on my phone. Alright, I'll put it back. So x squared plus 7x, x cubed plus 7x squared plus 10x. Can I just divide the top by the bottom and say x plus 7x squared plus 5? Or am I not doing my maths good? Oh, I can say x squared plus a squared plus 7 plus 5. I'm not tripping. I'm dividing, right? Or what I can do, I don't know why, I feel anxious about this question. So what I'm gonna, I'm gonna drop my rough work paper. That. And it's still, my phone still have give problem, bro. Can't bother with this. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Let me check chat first then. No, it's nothing. Okay. So, let's start. So, what am I gonna do? After the first two questions, I'm just gonna put them, I'm gonna multiply them by the denominator. So, x plus 5 are multiplied by x squared plus 2. That's gonna give me x cubed plus 5x squared plus 2x 2x plus 10 2x squared 2x plus 10. So what is that going to give me then? It's x cubed, that right? I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. Them they can't give me. Them they can't give me. So I don't think it's the top number. Let me try again. Maybe I made a mistake. X plus 5, x squared plus 2. Any man go put on? Yo, when I couldn't put on the answer for this one? Oh my. Anyways, I might live stream still, so me have to work it on myself. So this can be x cubed plus 5x squared plus 2x plus 10. So x cubed, that's so x cubed plus 5x. Okay, that. So what else here? So I don't know. I really don't know. I really do not know, bro. Let's just get help for this one. But until then, no, I really want to work it out myself, for some reason. I don't know why. So let me do what I was saying. So this is gonna be, I'm gonna cancel out the x cubed at the top for the x squared to give me x plus 7 x squared. We can't do it piece by piece. So. Oh well. So it's gonna be x plus 5 plus 7x squared. All of them must still get it wrong. Alright, let's just get help. I'm confused about this one, bro. I will. Numerator and denominator should be factored before cancellation. Oh! Okay, I understand, I guess. So factor them by x. It's been a while since I did a question like this now. So we'll factor the denominator by x to give us x plus 2. Alright, so then we'll alter that to the numerator to say x outside the brackets to say x squared plus 7x plus 10. Alright, so what would the first then? That would cancel out the 2x on the numerator and the denominator that we just factored out to give us what? X squared plus 7 plus 10, and then x plus 2. Okay, then this will give us oh 7x right here. So then we'll take that and then we would have say called Alright, I'm still have the something lock, so let's get up. Confused what? I probably, yeah, x plus 5, man. I was on the right track, I couldn't bother. Yeah, so this is what I was saying. We'll factor out the. Oh, I didn't get this over here, so. Numerator, then because. Really? It is in the quadratic equation formula, I guess. Yeah, so you factor out the x and then you get a quadratic equation inside the brackets for the numerator. Okay, I can see how I did that, and then you do that, you can cancel this and the x, forget the x plus 5. Okay, I learned something. You see, the thing is with these questions is that them tricky and them will bite you really hard like a dog. So even though we do have the equipment, we'll have to practice how to get the answer, you know. It's like a workman and him tool. If him don't practice, him can't build a house. All of him have like the best hammer in the world. But let us continue. I'm getting off track. So if x squared plus 6x minus 5 equals 0, what are the values of x? So this is a quadratic equation. So we can say what? So that would give us negative 5. What would I give with negative 5 before? So negative 6 and plus 1, I guess. Negative 6 and plus 1, so that would have been x squared plus x squared minus 6x plus x minus 5. Alright, so what I will do, does that work by the way? It should work. To get negative 5, add up the two of them. Yeah man. So then this right here, so I can 5. Yeah, it should be able to work, I guess. I don't know. Negative 1 and no man, it's not work. You know, so when in doubt, just check the answer them and eliminate it. So what? Negative 1 squared plus 6 times negative 1. So negative 1 plus 6. No, negative 1 squared, that are 1, plus 6 times negative 6. That's just 1 minus 6 minus 5. That's not equal to 0. Let's try it with 1 there. So 1 squared, that's a 1 plus 6 minus 5. That now work then. I don't want them with the square root, don't it? Jeez. Okay. Alright, yo. A or B, YOLO. What happened here, sir? I really don't want to work this out, you know. I really don't want to work this out, you know, man. Yo, I'm just gonna YOLO it, bro. Like, what happened? Yo, are A and B not? Oh, the negative 3 up here, so it's 3 and negative. Oh, it's plus or minus that. No. So I can say, 3 minus that. What is the square root of 14? Or we could have just G's on. What? Wait, hold on. We need to calm down. So 3 minus the square root of 14. Square root of 14 squared. Oh, my bad. Squared. Squared plus what? Did it? My phone is acting a little bit difficult with me this evening. Man, jeez. Anywho's, until I can get back internet. So this is 3 minus square root of 14 and 3 plus square root of 14. Let's just carry on. Squared plus, let me just copy this. Plus 6, that's minus 5. That's not gonna give me 0. So logic should tell me that is negative, right? So it must say negative and negative. Not work. That not work. So I'd go just 9. This would have been what? 3 is 9 minus 14. Nine minus 14. This would always evaluate back to 9 minus 14. I'm confused, bro. Alright, I'm gonna take it. Oh, YOLO. Alright. These values are the result of correctly applying the quadratic formula. Brother, give me some assist. What's the step-by-step solution here? So, because the quadratic formula I never did want to use, you know. I really never did want to use that. That's why I was creating around it. Would have been a lot easier to go around this using the quadratic, but lazy. I don't know, I'm lazy. But that ended up giving more work, so I'm not even know what to say right there. So, alright. So a store holiday sale has an item marked down by $10 with an additional discount of 25% off the new price. Final price was what's the original price? Okay. I have a certain method of answering these types of questions whenever it comes to consumer arithmetic. Factorize, yeah. Wait, one second. Sorry there. I'm saying factorization, what? No. Alright. Anywho's. Alright. So how I answer this is that I say this. Alright, we'll have to break this down right here. So how they got this final price, that they take the total price, they take off 10, and then they take 25% off what they get afterwards. So this means that the final price is this 25% discount is 25% of the final of the original price minus 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say this right here is equal to what? 75%. So I'm going to divide this by 75 to get 1%. Alright, so go over here, so 36.27 divided by 75. So this is so then I'm going to multiply this by 100 to get the total, to get the original 48.36, and then I'm going to add 10 to that. That's going to be 58.36. See it here? You see, I'm goated, bro. Alright, continue. When David arrived in the country of Georgia, he exchanged $165 US to 385 Georgian laris. When he's ready to return to the US, he has 147 laris left. Alright, so let me go back over into Jamboard. So what does this say? For me, I'm gonna shift S. Let me just put this over upon Jamboard. Hold on for a little bit. So what this question answer right here, so what this question is saying, so how we can write this down, this question, we can write it down in like an equation. So let me put it down in text instead. 160 what 165 USD is equal to 385 J I L, which are the lires, right? Alright. So now that we know this, what we're trying to find is how many US dollars the lires is worth. So I can do that by getting L by itself. So that means we divide both sides by 385. So that's 165 over 385 is gonna give us L, which is one. Let me just put USD on 1L to make it look more consistent throughout. So 165 over 385. What is 165 over 385? At that, I'm gonna keep that fraction so that my value remains consistent. I'm not gonna mess up with this decimal over here. So now that is equal to that. So I want to see how many that's how much US dollars that's worth. So what I'm gonna do to find how many 147 is I'm going to just multiply this right here, so by 147, and I get 63. So what is I gonna say now? 63. Boom! Goated, bro. Like oh my. Okay, you see, it's looking at my track record is looking a bit prettier right here. So in the system of equations, C is a constant for which value of C is x, y equal -3 and 3. What is the point of this? What's the point of saying y equals C? We can't just substitute y for C then. That's so dumb, bro. What? Y is always gonna be the same value. I know. Huh? All real numbers, because if y is equal to C, for y to be, I just treat that, right? Am I tripping? Oh, I am tripping. I am dumb. Okay. Alright. Let's go through this like a real human beings. I'm confused right here, so though. If y equal, I don't know. I really don't know. Or I can't bother to think about it. Let's go look at it. Oh wait. Oh, I'm dumb. Like I was on the right track, but my head just tripped for a little bit. The answer is 3, and I said the answer is 3, and then I went and I reached. I'm so sorry about that. Let's carry on. So this is number 15. We're just about halfway through. When I finish this, I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. No way this nigga just got boss. Okay. What? Alright. So y is equal to that. This equation represents the given parabola in the xy plane. Which are the following equivalent forms of the equation? Display the coordinates of a vertex of the parabola as constants or coefficients. Okay, that's not hard. We're just gonna factorize this and then put it in the line equation format. So line equation format looks something like this, and we know that it's a quadratic equation always. So what I can say is this. I'm not doing maths, but I'm just gonna guess, and I'm done. So I should never guess ever again. All right. Let's do the work like a real human beings, guys. So let's let's factorize this. So we're gonna be distributing the x minus 2 across. So that's gonna be x squared plus 4x minus 2x minus 4. So it's a x squared minus x squared plus 2x minus 4. So we have x squared plus 2x. What going over here, so? Oh, I'm gonna get minus 4. What? Oh, minus 8, my bad. Where in the world am I get minus 4 from? I'm so dunce, bro. Like, unironically. Minus 8. So now, what going over here, so? Huh? Oh, that's just the answer I got right there, so. The vertex is located at... Let's get some help, guys. No, and then I missed the opportunity. I can't even ask for help again. Jeez, okay. So we can't do that. That means my method is wrong and I don't know what I'm doing. It displays the coordinates of the vertex of the parabola as constants or coefficients. Bro, I don't even know what that means. Like, I really don't even know what that means, bro. I'm just gonna guess. If this is right, I'm just gonna take the right one. Can I ask for the right answer, please? How am I supposed to know where the vertex is located? Alright. So here's one method that I know that you could have used. I could have go into the graphing calculator which is provided here, so, and I could have just copied this equation. Hold on, it's taking a while. I'll get some more crackers. Why didn't I go back? I'm confused. Alright, I don't know what you mean by go back. Can you elaborate, please? What? The graphing calculator gonna take a while. So once I got copied it, I don't want to move on. I want you guys to see how you can get there. Even though my Wi-Fi, I don't even know how this works, you know. My Wi-Fi moves slow, but I can somehow live stream. That's so mad. That's crazy. Alright, so I can't even paste here, so bro. Can I? Coffee. I'm just say y equal what? Y equal x minus 2 x plus 4. Okay. Alright, here's what I'm saying, guys. So the vertex of this line, we know that Alright, I'm so sorry about that. My computer, as I said earlier, is a bit busted. Alright, we don't know, bro. Alright, so you say how long the stream normally lasts. I'll be honest, I don't really have a set time to finish the stream. It's just whenever I'm able to finish this worksheet, and then I can carry on. If I have more energy and if people willing to stay back, I'll go over a past paper for CXC. But that's if people are willing to stay back and I have the energy, you know. Anywho's, let's carry on to the next question. So v plus 1, alright, so v plus 1 over 5 squared. What's some of the solution to this given equation? Okay. Um. Okay. So for the sum of solutions, I'm trying to find v, right? So I can say v squared plus 1 square over 5. That's a 1 over 25. V squared plus 1 over 25 minus 9. 9 equals 0. So I can move over negative 9 over here, so to become a positive 9. And then v squared plus 1 over 25 and then what am I gonna do here? So oh shit, my bad. Alright, so I'm gonna say, let me not do that. So I'm gonna move over the entire 1 over 25. So at 8, 24 over 25, that equal v squared. And then I'm gonna square root all of that. But we know that it's equal to 0. So if once I square root that's what I'm gonna say. So the square root of 8 plus 24 over 25. Are that right? Call that so. Maybe I'm tripping. Oh, probably tripping once again. I'm sorry. So what you should do instead, don't be like me, don't be like an idiot like me. It's v plus 1 over 5. That's times itself. So let me just screen. No, I can't even put this in on Jamboard because I'm not too adept with that as well. If I am able to get a drawing tablet, then I can promise you the streams are gonna be so much better. Like I'll be able to work out the questions and you guys can see what I'm doing from a rough work and thing. That would be very nice. So going back to the question, is v plus 1 over 5 times v plus 1 over 5. So I'm gonna say that v squared plus v over 5 plus v over 5 v over 5 plus 1 over 5 times 1 over 5 at 1 over 25. Alright. So v over 5 plus v over 5, that are just 2v over 5. So v squared plus 2v over 5 is 1 over 25 equals 0. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to keep the things on one side. I can't bother, bro. I feel like I know what to do, but minus 9. Bro, jeez, man. Okay. So move this over to the right, comes a positive 9. Then you say minus 1 over 25. This is gonna give. What's 1 over 25 at decimal? Because I think I'd find that easier to write. Oh, 0.04. Okay. 0.04. So it's a 8.96 equal v squared plus 2v over 5. So I'm gonna go to the next as I'm gonna go move over that denominator. So then that's gonna be 8.96 times 5. That's 44.8. And then the square root. Wait, hold on. Did the thing say sum of solutions? Oh, boss, I'm doomed. I don't even know what I'm doing. Anywho's, let's just continue to see what's happening. The square roots 44.8. That, bro, I don't even know. I don't even know, bro. Sorry for wasting a lot of time. I don't even know about this one. Call it this or computational get help. How do we do this Khan Academy? Solve the equation for v. So move that over. Comes at positive 9. Oh, you could have just square. Oh, I'm done. Once again, okay. So what I should have done is I should have just square rooted this entire thing after move over 9 and then jeez. Okay. Okay. Alright, so after this, after I'm finished with this, I'm gonna go over another quiz. Just to prove to you guys. So normally I'm on top of my game. This is just something. It's just a whole different mood, you know. Like I'm not really too prepared. I'm not too ready for this. Anywho, scatter plot depicts number of women in the United States Congress F from 1972 to 2009. X represents the number of years since. Oh yeah, by the way, you guys might recognize this is a cumulative frequency graph, so it continues going up. So from 1972 to 2009, if X represents the number of years since 1970, which of the following is the best exponential model for this data? Alright, all this will go look then. I'm gonna look at 5 and what I'm going to look at is I'm going to say what? I'm looking at F, right? Or X, the number of years. Okay. It's a bit tough. Okay, I'll just work it out. So. Alright, so 1.056 12.590 590 to the power x. So what is it to the power of 1? The power of 1 is 13.29. Can't that. So now let's just go over to see which one of them lines up with the value here. Huh? Hold on. Oh. Next is to deal with these two right here, so I'm just changing the values around. $12.590. 1.0 what? 0.106. 0.106 to the power of 1. Zero five six. Let's try that. 0.056. No, 1.056. Not bad. How would that? Now I'll change to a 5 then. Tough. Tough. Number a woman. Oh, my bad. My bad. I should be putting this to the power of 0. Huh. I'm sorry, guys. Why is this 10? So it's a 50. I can't understand. So the power of 0 is 15.59. That now work out. So it can't be there. Oh, this is tough. I'm gonna get I'm gonna get 15 and I one. Yo, man, them. I feel dunce. Like, what am I going? What am I doing? Anyways, let's try one. One give me 13.29. I don't even know if that's 1 year. But let me look at 5. It should give me just below 20. I can't work with that. This is too big. Zero 0.106. That now work. Let's have a bit exponentially smaller. Feel like I this one for some reason. Not quite. Bro, I'm confused. Get help. How do you answer this? Graph for any function written in this will have a y-intercept of a and a rate of exponential growth or decay determined by b. 0.010 tells us that the approximate function should have a y-intercept of approximately 10. Yeah. Okay. I can kind of get that. Alright. Come on, let's quiet down. I want a bit more energy, so let's keep on going. Basketball game was scheduled to last 60 minutes, including the breaks between quarters. Several timeouts were used throughout the game, resulting in the game lasting a total of 72 minutes, including breaks. Each timeout was 90 seconds. How many total timeouts were used? 1 minute 13. call that 1.5. So then that's a 72 divided by 1.5. 72 divided by 1.5, or 48. I'll say 48 times notes. Once again, might be tripping. Okay, seems as if I'm tripping. Let me see if I can do this the other way around then. So, 72 times 60, 4320, over 90. Looks like if my method is wrong then. How do I get this? Oh, I'm done. Okay. I mean, I didn't know. Oh, I understand that then. I should have subtracted the 60 from the 72. Oh, no. 172. That would have just been. Oh, okay. Okay. Carry on. Yes. Why? Boss, this is a lot of gibberish. You can't just, I don't think you can just add these. Can you? I don't think you can. You can't just add these on the inside, so that wouldn't work. Oh. This right here says no. No. Could be this. Am I crazy? Could be that. Three over 2 times 1 over 2? I don't know. What does this say for the hell? So you simplify using, alright, so you simplify this. Alright, okay, I can understand that somewhat. Alright, so, bro, this is some long piece of sin, bro. Long piece of sin. I won't lie, I'm gonna have to be doing auto practice. 2y someday. Okay. Yo, you see this big string of wrong answer about 6 in a row, bro? Alright, could this have vine that was introduced in the United States from Japan in 1876 as ornamental? starting in 1935 because it was planted through the southeast to combat soil erosion. Starting in the year 19 was planted through the southeast to combat soil erosion. By 1946, it covered approximately 3 million acres of land in the southeast. 60 years later, 7 million acres were covered. To the following functions best models the amount of goods. The 3 is constant, right? No. Why would I multiply? So I multiply 3. Alright, so what I know is that this right here is going to be increasingly getting smaller. I feel like I'm pretty sure it's A, bro. Because it's going to grow exponentially, right? This being less than 0 means that it's decreasing. This being more than 0 means exponentially increasing. So I'm going to say it's A. Yeah. Okay. You see, we'll have something. So the following best describe solution to the inequality shown. I'll divide both sides by -4 to say x is equal to -4. No, x is greater than -4, don't it? Divide both sides by -4 to get x by itself. Tripping or not? What? Okay, let's get some help. So when both sides are divided, the sign changes. Okay. I'll just remember that. So it was this instead. Minor mistake, I didn't know that. Alright, next. If y is equal to 1/8 to the power of x plus 1, graph in the y plane. Alright, sorry about it, getting some more crackers. Alright. Which is constant. I feel like this is it. It just makes sense, man. Alright, look. Here's why. So the reason why I said that it's this is because 5 people there in here. Yo, big up to everyone who's in chat. This is a community service campaign, so I really appreciate everyone being in here and supporting me while I go through this. It's not just community service to me, it's also my preparation. This is really tied into my future. So everyone who's in here, really, I thank you so much for you coming here, showing support. So the reason why I said this is because x, right? X is an exponent, and 1 is constant. So with 1 being constant, as x decreases, it's gonna get closer and closer to 1. Because when an exponent decreases, this whole 1.8 is gonna be decreasing as well. So that's why I said that it's gonna be nearing 1. So the value y approaches as x decreases. The polynomial has zeros at -6 and 2. If the remaining 0 is z, you know what's the value of -z? What? Huh? Huh? Alright, I'll just put this into the graphing calculator, I won't lie. Also, y equals this. Oh, I can't put it like that. So, x cubed plus 7x cubed, or 7x squared, I mean, plus what? Oh, minus 36. Alright, what going on here, so? Yo, where's the remaining? I'm confused, boss. Oh, like, you won't believe it. What? Oh, here it is. My bad. I wasn't looking properly. Alright. So what do we know? It has a 0 at -6, 2. So next 0 is -3. Negative, so z, so -z, so z should just be 3. Yeah, good. Use up your calculator, guys. Whenever it gives you the opportunity, use your calculator. At a particular college, a film club and a chess club were founded at the beginning of the same month. Film club began with 16 members and gained 1 new member per month. The chess club began with 4 members and gained 4 new members per month. Alright. This would have given me 21. Give me 20. I think we can put this on a graphing calculator again. Oh, where is it? So x plus x plus 1 I say m equal, no, looks like I can't, so oh well. I can't say 1m then, and then slide and I'm not gonna compare it even, so I'll just say x equal No, that's not gonna work. So either way, we can just brute force this one right here. So for say, so on the second month, start of the second month, it's gonna we want a month where it's gonna be an even number. Right? So on the third month, you're gonna have like what? Gonna be 4. Second month is gonna be 8. Third month is gonna be 12. Fourth month is gonna be 16. Fifth month is gonna be 20. It's gonna be fifth month, right? Yeah, balling. Aubrey relies on Table to help her manage finances. Each month, she distributes her salary into the categories indicated. She had. Yo, the man say I'm confused, what? Alright, hold on. About the last question, right? Can I go back? Unfortunately, I can't go back. But for the last question, the reason why how I went about that last question, right? I'm not sure about when you sent it, but if it is for the last question, how I went about the last question is that I said, okay, the second, so club number 2, it increases by 4, so therefore they can never have an odd number of members, because they never have an odd number. Oh, sorry about that. Because they never have an odd number of members. That's why I must say okay. So that means that the film club must gain either 2 or 4 members. So it's either month number 3 or month number 5. So I'm gonna say month number 5. Also, it's good for you guys to know that I'm actually running this stream at a bit of a delay. So I may see your things a bit late. Yeah. Okay. So Aubrey relies on the table to help manage her finances. Each month she distributes her salary categories indicated. She had the same job for the past 2 years. Makes an equal amount of money each month. If Aubrey puts aside approximately $400 each month for savings, how much money does she make per year? 10%? Now 400 times 10 and 4,000, that. Unless, once again, I'm tripping. Oh, that almost let me know. Per year. Okay, so then that's 4,000 times 12. 48,000. Boop, we're balling. Okay. What's the slope of the line represented in this equation? Alright. We'll go on. Can I? Yo, but I'm gonna say something, because if I do get this right, I'm working out a bit of a magic trick, right? So a negative. Do I go over to be negative 3x? Well, I just said 3 over 4 now. Check. Yeah. Okay. Man, so what's all going here, so when we get a question like this, when we say what's the slope of the line of this equation, we have x and y. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to put this back into line equation format. So that means y on one side and it's mx plus c. You know that's y equal mx plus c for the line equations. So we're just going to be transposing. So we move the 3x over to the right to give us a negative 3x. And we're going to have to divide by 4. M in the line equation of y equal mx plus c is the slope or the gradient. So therefore, this is just going to be negative 3 divided by negative 4. Negatives cancel, so we can just put 3 over 4. So you don't know, bro. Continue. The sector of a circle shown has a center of O. The radius of the circle has a length of 5. arc XZY has a length of 7. To the nearest 10th, what's the shaded area of the sector? No, I have no idea. I'm gonna say 7/5. What is 7/5 pi? 7/5 pi. 4.3982. No. But that don't make no sense. It can't be 4.3982. Maybe it's 5/7 pi then. Let's try that. 5/7 pi. No, that now or neither. No. Try. Wrong. We're going for the help. I'm not even gonna look on that. Like, I'll be honest. I'm not even gonna look on all that. Because circle geometry, I haven't started on that yet. At all. Like, brother, when I first saw it, brother, I made it feel like an alien would just touch down on Earth. I had no idea what was happening right there, so like, it was crazy for that one. But let's continue. The formula gives the x coordinate, x mid or the midpoint. The formula. I'm so sorry. I probably have some type of a speech impediment that I need to get checked. So, the formula gives the x coordinates, x mid of the input of the midpoint of a line segment whose endpoints have x coordinates x1 and x2. So the following equation gives the x coordinates of the second endpoint x2. We're trying to find what? X then, right? X2. First input, we're trying to get x1. Or what? No, x2. Yeah, we're trying to find x2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this over so that's a 2x mid minus x1. This. Balling. Continue. Alright, the figure ABCD is a parallelogram. What is the value of D? Okay, so this right here is so nothing too tough. For Arden students in here, which should be all of you guys, or most of you guys at least. If you're not from Arden High School, put on something in the comment section here, like a foreigner to me. So I'd really like to know where you're from and how you end up finding the stream. But let's continue. So, what's the value of D? ABCD is a parallel. What's the size of D? ABCD is a parallel. What's the value of D? What? No, like, this is actually tough. What going on here, sir? Are there any co-interior lines I can look at? No. Oh, yes, actually. BF, so BC. Okay, let me, so BF and AD are parallel lines, and they are being cut by another line. So with the angle for F is 34 degrees, then the angle of D plus 27 must be equal to 34 again. So the angle of D should be 7. Try it. Yo, you see me? I am literally a genius, bro. Like, you know, can't play with me. Ignore the bottom, but I'm literally a genius, bro. Anywho's, last question for the quiz. If y is equal to x minus 1, x plus 5, graph in the xy plane, which of the following characteristics displays a constant in the equation? Is it not the y-intercept? The y-intercept is always displayed as a constant, bro. Hold on, no. This is the last question. I want to get it right, so I'm gonna put this into the graphing calculator. Y equal to our x minus 1, x plus 5. Oh, none of that for worry about. Oh, shoot, that's why. The vertex. The x coordinate to the vertex is a constant. It's either A or B, right? Because in this equation, these represent the zeros. So what if y equals 0, can boom up something. But that now really gonna work right here. So I'm just gonna say, no, I can't even say that. Should be the x-intercepts. Should be. Might be wrong. Please tell me I'm not wrong. Yo, thank you. Alright, so you see this, guys, this is something that I learned like right at about like question number 2 or number 3 when we got a question about the lines. This is why practice is very important, man. Like, practice makes perfect. Even on the test, if you pay attention, you never know something. Like, you go look back and you say, okay, so that's how this. Oh, let me just bring my mic a little bit closer. Alright. So when you go on a test, right? You're not too clear on something, and you go and you look back on the previous question to see the information that you can get about how to solve it, at least. This is what's gonna save your life on tests, where you can study, you can go back and study. All you have is a test paper and your prerequisite knowledge, so you have to go back and study. So I'm saying the reason why I was able to answer this question is because I paid attention and I used the information I knew beforehand and the information that I learned on the paper to see how I could answer it. So guys, this is why it's important to just pay attention when we're doing a test. Like, any random little thing can save your life. So that being said, now let's go on to the summary, see how things go. Alright, how much did we get a while ago? About 50, bad 50 something. Bad 53. 17 out of 31. How much is that? Yo, more bad 57 while ago, bro. Like, boop. I don't even know, bro. More bad 57 while ago. Alright. So what's happening over here? So mastered, proficient, ratios, rates, and proportions. Okay. So the one which I think is circles is this one, circle geometry. angles on them thing there. Oh no, this is lines plus radicals plus rationals, quadratic equation systems. Brother, I don't even know what this means. Scatter plots. What? Circle equations. Bro, the thing don't even send up me, just say attempted. That's so sad. Anywho's, I feel like we can end off the stream here, so guys, you know. So if you have been watching the stream from beginning to end, or all from wherever you pick off, I really appreciate you. I want you to know that I really appreciate people like you. And so to close off the stream, I'd just like to tell you guys, if you are going to study, make sure you study wisely. Don't be like me. Doing a test while on a live stream is not a good idea. And as I said earlier, tomorrow I'm gonna be making a community post about another attempt at the test, because I can promise you, if I do this again without being on the stream, I can promise you, so I will get a 70. I will get above a 70 as a matter of fact. So to all of you guys who are here still, please like and subscribe. There is a video which I posted earlier this evening on IT. So the one I posted on IT is repeat until and while loops for Pascal. I know, so if you're not ardent students, you guys are gonna find it's very useful. If you're gonna be doing CXC, you're gonna find it's very useful. You're gonna be on your SBA, bro. Like, please go and watch the video. I really appreciate it if you do. And if you find the content that I make entertaining somehow, but more so if you find it useful, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe. So with that, I'm gonna end today's video. I hope all you guys are having a good night, and I hope to see you guys again on my next live stream. My next video, which I was suggested by one of my classmates to make, was on mole concept for chemistry. So do keep an eye out for that video. Before that, I may post some other videos on mathematics, or maybe some more IT videos. But either way, guys, I appreciate you. I really do. I can't say it enough. I really appreciate it, you know. So good night, guys. Bye.